Assalamu alaikum. This is Manira Afroj, Assistant Teacher English, Babuganj Govt Pilot High School, Barishal. My dear students, how are you? I am missing you a lot. I hope you all are safe and fine at your home by the mercy of Almighty. I'm fine also, but I am missing you badly. Because of COVID-19, we are not conducting our session as usual in our institutions. So we are taking classes through this online class for your benefit. I think it would be very beneficial for you to participate in this online class. So I have come again in front of you with another topics from class 19, and I think you all will participate here and enjoy this class. So I will try my best to make this session enjoyable and memorable for you. So you all are welcome to my online class. So without spending time, I think we will start our class. So let's enjoy this class with me. Welcome, my dear students, to my online class. Okay, so today we will learn English first paper, class 19. At first, we will look at these pictures. You can watch here the two pictures. The first picture, these two pictures are very familiar to us because uh, the first picture is the picture of a ferry, and we have to cross the river by using this, and we have to go from one side to another of a river by using this ferry. And then another picture is about boat. The second picture is of a ferry boat, by using this boat, people usually cross the river from one side to another. So where do you find this kind of boat? Now you will thinking about on these questions. Where do you find this kind of boat? Why does the boatman carry passengers across the river? Why do people use country boats? And I think you all know the answer. This is a very easy answer because is easy questions, because we know the people use ferry boats to cross the river. So our today's lesson is the ferry boat. Yes, you have guessed right. So today we will learn the topic, the ferry boat, from our text. Okay. At first, before going through the whole passage, we will try to learn some vocabulary which you may feel difficult to your problem, or which you may feel new to you. So at first we'll discuss about some new words. The word passengers. You are watching in this picture, the passengers are sitting on the ferry boat. Passengers means travelers, Bhromankari. The community values a learning, so passengers and travelers. And here we are also watching a picture of passengers. Number two, the second word is overcrowded. Overcrowded, অতিরিক্ত লোকজন, অতিরিক্ত লোকের ভিড়. It has a similar word, that is congested. That is congested. And we can watch here an example of the word overcrowded. The ferry boat was overcrowded. The ferry boat was overcrowded. So it will be easy for you to memorize by watching this picture. Now we will go to the another word, that is casualties. Casualties, that means accidents, happenings. And you are watching the picture of casualties in this picture. Here is an example of also there are no casualties. So this is the example of the word casualties. Okay. The next word is trip. Trip means journey. Journey. In this picture, you are watching that people are making a journey, making a trip. Here is an example also. Jamil was waiting for the next trip. So we have learned a synonym word of the word trip, journey. In Bengali, ভ্রমণ করা, বেড়ানো. The next word is sunset, and we are also watching a picture of sunset. The sun having set, যখন সূর্য অস্ত যায় সেটাকে আমরা বলি সানসেট, সূর্যাস্ত. And we have an example of this word also. It was just after sunset. It was just after sunset. Now we will go through the passage because we have learned the difficult or new words. So we will go through the whole passage. At first we will look at these two pictures. One is ferry boat and one other is the picture of sunset. It was just after sunset. সূর্যাস্তের ঠিক পরেই. The weather was getting bad. আবহাওয়া খারাপ হতে যাচ্ছিল. The wind started blowing from the northwest. এবং wind started blowing, বাতাস বইতে শুরু করেছিল নর্থ ওয়েস্ট দিক থেকে. Black clouds were moving fast in the sky. কালো মেঘ আকাশে খুব দ্রুত ছেয়ে যাচ্ছিল. On a weekly bazaar day, people were coming back with their shopping bags and baskets in hands, on shoulders and heads. যেহেতু দিনটি ছিল সাপ্তাহিক বাজারের দিন, তাই লোকজন ছুটে আসছিল তাদের বাজারের ব্যাগগুলো হাতে নিয়ে, কাঁধে নিয়ে অথবা মাথায় নিয়ে. খুব দ্রুত তারা ছুটে আসছিল. And we are also watching this situation in these two pictures. These two boats are overloaded with people. Then the boatman shouted, "No more, no more, please. Wait," but nobody listened to him. The boatman shouted. মাঝি চিৎকার করছিল, "No more, no more, দয়া করে আর উঠো না, থামো, please wait." But nobody listened to him. কিন্তু কেউ তার কথা শুনল না. কেউ তার কথা শোনেনি. সবাই নৌকাটাতে যে যেভাবে পেরেছে উঠে পড়েছে. In this picture, the boat sank. নৌকাটি ডুবে গেল. Thank God there were no casualties. সৃষ্টিকর্তাকে ধন্যবাদ যে সেখানে কোনো দুর্ঘটনা ঘটেনি. But some of the passengers lost their goods, what they were carrying with them. কিন্তু কিছু যাত্রীরা তাদের মালামাল, তাদের বাজার সদাইগুলো হারিয়ে ফেলেছিল যা তারা তাদের সাথে করে নিয়ে যাচ্ছিল. So this is all about the passage, the ferry boat, and we have learned the difficult words with meanings, with similar words, and with examples also. And we have gone through the whole passage by line with translation. So I think you have no problems through this passage, word meaning or translation, or any kind of difficulty you have not. But if you feel any kind of difficulty or problem, you will ask me and you will leave your comment in the comment box. Okay. Now we will be proceeded to the exercise. What are the reasons of boat sinking? নৌকা ডুবে যাওয়ার কারণ কি? Discuss with your partners and then write the points only. So you will have to discuss with your partner, as if it is possible for you, then you will try to make a converse with your partner about the reason of the boat sinking. Then you will find out the points only. Okay, so after going through the whole passage, we have find out some reasons because of which the boat has sank. Okay, now we will try to learn what are the reasons. The first reason is ignorant. People are ignorant. They don't know what is the result of overcrowded or congested people on ferry boat. They don't know. So because of their ignorance, there had been the boat sank. Number two is congested. Too many people were loaded on the boat. Number three, overloading. Number four, lack of patience. This is the most important point, I think, because lack of patience uh, in almost every day we watch that different types of casualties, different kind of accident happens in our country because of lack of patience. Because in our country, people don't want to show their patience to any work, and that is one of the most important reason of this boat sinking. Okay, another causes are overloaded, lack of awareness, weather changing. Another point was weather changing because after the sunset, the weather was going to be rough. The black cloud were gathered in the blue sky. To value of time, another point is in our country, maximum people does not know. People don't know what is the value of time and what is the necessity of value of time. What is the benefit of showing value of time in our life? So these points are the main points, I think, of this, because of this happenings or accident. And I think you all have found these points also. So read the text individually and then discuss in groups if possible. Now we will go through the passage again and again if we need. Then we will try to write the answers of this question. Who described the incident? How do people cross the river? There were no casualties. Explain. And these questions are very easy, and it will be very easy for you to write down. Okay. So now I'm leaving a group work for you. Though this is not possible for you to work grouply, if possible you will do, otherwise you will do it individually. Number one, why did some people have little or no patience when the ferry boat was in danger of sinking? Why did some people have little or no patience যখন ফেরি বোটে ডুবে যাচ্ছিল তখনও লোকজনের ভিতরে কেন ধৈর্য দেখা যাচ্ছিল না? Little or no patience when the ferry boat was in danger of sinking. Okay, so number two, no more, please wait. Who said this? Explain. We know that the boatman was shouting by saying no more, please wait, because he was watching that the ferry boat was going to be overloaded. That's why he cried out, "No more, no more." And number three, thanks God. Who said this? Why did he say that? Why did the speaker thank God, and why? And all these questions are very easy to you, and you all will be able to answer or do the all this exercise. Okay, now after all this, I'm leaving a homework for you which you will complete at your home. Suppose you were Jahid or Jaida, you saw a boat sinking accident a few days ago. মনে করো তুমি জাহিদ অথবা জায়দা এবং তুমি একটি নৌকা ডুবির দুর্ঘটনা দেখেছো কিছুদিন আগে। রাইট আ লেটার টু ইউর ফ্রেন্ড রানা অর রিনা অ্যাবাউট ইউর এক্সপেরিয়েন্স অফ বোট সিঙ্কিং। এখন এই নৌকা ডোবার দুর্ঘটনাটি তুমি তোমার বন্ধু রানা অথবা রিনার কাছে তোমার এই দুর্ঘটনা দেখার অভিজ্ঞতাটি বর্ণনা করবে। And you will try to write all the questions, answer and this homework also by using your own experience and your own imagination, your own language. Okay, and I think you don't need to follow the textbook exactly. Okay, so this is all for today, my dears. I think you all have understood this topic well, and you all have enjoyed this session as usual, because I have tried my best to make the topic enjoyable, and you all have memorized, you all have understood the theme of the topic by watching different types of practical pictures, word meanings, similar words, and after going through the whole passage line by line with translation. So I think it's all for today. We will meet again very soon in another class with another topics. Till then, stay at home and stay safe. Okay, thank you all for having patience and watching this video. If you have any difficulty or problem, you may ask me or leave your comment in the comment box after watching this video. Okay, so best of luck. Thank you.